Bitcoin did it again. We can see that it's closed another weekly candle above our presumed support area right here. This, of course, is the 2.618. This is a zone that we've been watching for the past couple of weeks and months. So this is good. This shows that BTC is still in the bullish side of things. If we come here, still on the weekly time frame, we will see that BTC is well above the 50 weekly EMA. Now this means that BTC is still in bull market territory. Now I say this because there are some people who insinuate that BTC or crypto are going or are in a bear market, which there is nothing here to suggest that. I don't even know how they come about with those ideas. If we narrow down to the daily time frame, we will see that the previous dump that we just had was just a retest of that EMA right here. Even on the 4-hourly, we keep retesting that same EMA as seen here. So by all accounts, we are still bullish. Now, if we go to our more sort of complicated analysis, we will see that BTC held this zone that we were talking about for the past couple of days, and it actually inched to the upside. This upside move, this is probably a 1.618 region right here on the 4-hourly time frame. So if we quickly plot that like so, we should be able to see a 1.618 right there. So let's quickly do that, shall we? So let's put that in yellow, put that in the center, and then extend the lines to the left. Yes, and so we should get the 1.618 right there, giving us the 0.786 around here, which comes back to our zone right here. So if you have a move back to the downside and come back as low as 105 and a confirmed move back to the upside, you could potentially go as high as 112,000. Now, these ups and downs keep occurring because of Trump. Yeah, he's simply the reason for all of these chaos that we find. You see, the US basically controls crypto. Yeah, the US controls the markets, whether we like it or not. And so if the markets are on the idea that the US could be dragged into another Middle Eastern war, well, that would trigger a dump. At least that would be the market reaction. Just before the Israeli strike on Iran, Trump actually tweeted saying that we remain committed to a diplomatic resolution to the Iran nuclear issue. So this was more on the diplomatic side, yeah, like the Trump administration just wanted to talk and potentially make a deal. However, after the Israeli strike, Trump came out saying that I gave Iran chance after chance to make a deal. And this post was much more on the I support what Israel did. And the market could interpret this as in perhaps the US could actually get involved in this. Today, he just said that Iran should have signed the deal I told them to sign. What a shame, what a waste of life. Simply stated, Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon, and you get the rest. So it's tough to interpret this guy, and that is represented on the chart. The markets are uncertain, which is why you will see this on the weekly time frame, which is why you will see, we can actually see it here, this right here. This is indecision. We can also go to Ethereum and you will see the same thing. This is Ethereum on the weekly time frame and you see indecision. The markets are uncertain about what's actually going to happen. Is the US in this or is it not? The US is a consumer type economy, and consumer type economies depend on confidence. We are not seeing that confidence here. What we are seeing is confusion, indecision. The markets do not know what the US's position is in this whole stuff. So the moment it is clear that the US will not get involved in this whole conflict, the markets will rally. And that is what I think is going to happen. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, stay safe.